Hello, welcome to our channel. As per the request of a lot of people, today we will explore how our typical civil suit progresses in India. We will follow a story of a fictional case to make it easier to understand. So let's dive in. So let's meet Anna. She is caught in a civil dispute regarding her family property. To resolve this particular issue, she has decided to file a civil suit. In India, the civil suits are governed by the Code of Civil Procedure, which is the procedural law in India and which ensures the fair and systematic proceeding of the civil courts in India. So at the beginning, Anna must first choose the right court to file his case or the suit. In each district, there is usually a district court along with several subdivisional court or municipal court. Depending on the value and type of the disputes, the cases are normally filed either in the junior or senior division courts in a district court, or let's say it can also be directly filed in the court of the district judge. So in this Anna's case, the property dispute which is having a larger sum of value has to be filed normally in the senior division of the district court, which is normally to be considered comparable to the additional district judges courts. In this regard, we must note that in some cases there can be the special jurisdiction requirement. For instance, the mutual divorce cases under the section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act must be filed in a district court in the district judges court. Similarly, the property dispute must be filed where the property is located. In this particular case, Anna is aware of these particular rules and she ensures that her case is filed in the appropriate forum of the court. So with the help of a competent advocate, Anna drafts her plaint. This particular plaint contains all the disputes and her arguments regarding the particular property, why she should hold that particular property and the ownership of that particular property. So this is the main petition, along with she also files some supplementary petitions which are like the interim applications for injunction or appointment of a receiver. So after paying out the court fee, her case is officially filed in the civil court. In any civil suit in India, the first stage is called the interlocutory stage. So in Anna's case also, she right now enters the interlocutory stage. She normally follows the date of hearing of the particular suit by the government e-court application, and also her advocate is present on those particular dates. So at the first beginning, the court normally examines the admissibility of the suit, that why she has a case, and also the jurisdiction and the parties involved. Any kind of interim application such as an injunction application like preventing someone from accessing that particular property or damaging the property is also heard. This stage is very crucial as it sets the foundation for the main particular stage of the case, which is called the evidence stage or the trial stage of the particular case. The next stage, which is the most crucial stage of a particular civil suit, is called the evidence stage. Here both of the parties submit their evidence, often through affidavits, under the Order 18 of the Code of Civil Procedure. The court carefully examines all the evidences, both documentary and oral, allowing cross-examination from both sides. After the evidence is thoroughly examined, it is time for the final arguments. Both Anna's and the defendant's lawyer are present for their final argument. In India, this particular stage is also called the preemptory hearing of the particular suit. Summarizing their position and the evidences, the court then reserves the case for judgment. Finally, the court delivers its judgment and decides in Anna's favor, and concluding, a decree is drawn by the court officials summarizing the judgment of the court. Anna receives a copy of this particular decree along with the judgment, concluding the primary stage of her case. The opposing parties fails to comply with the court's order, Anna can file a suit for execution of the particular decree. The court may then take necessary actions such as freezing of the account or even involving the police to ensure the compliance of its judgment. It has to be understood that any of the civil suit, Anna or their opposing party has a right to appeal against the judgment. There are normally the two levels of appeal. The first is in the district court, which is called the first appeal, and the second is in the high court, which is called the second appeal, with a possibility of an final appeal or SLP in the Supreme Court. It has to be understood that timely appeals are the essential to entertain those particular appeals by the district court and the high courts, and normally the time to file those particular appeals are 60 days and 90 days in India. And there you have it, Anna's journey through a civil case in India. from filing the suit to the final judgment and possibility of an execution of the degree. We hope this particular story helps you to understand the intrinsic procedure of a civil litigation in India. Thank you for watching, and if you think this particular video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe.